Hey guys, this is David Lord from A&A Vacuum here, and I just wanted to take a few seconds here and show you what we deal with every day. So we had a customer come in and wanted a belt change, and that should literally be $5. You should be in and out, but come on over here and I'll show you what happened. On this machine here, I looked at it to change the belt, and what you're going to see here is that everything has melted. Here, down in here, you can see the pieces have melted here. It's even cracked over here. And what people don't understand is that a machine like this runs at 35 RPM. So that means this brush roll has to spin at 3,500 RPMs. And especially if you're cleaning homes, the average run time on a vacuum is about 45 minutes. That's too long, creating too much heat for this little machine to handle. So as you're looking for vacuums, whether online or in a store, see if you can get a look at what the underneath looks like. Because if you can, you want to find a machine with a wood brush roll or a steel brush roll, because what that does, that ensures that you're going to clean better and it's going to last a lot longer. So on that note, just thank you so much, and we'll talk again.